We're about to play the body part game. Yep. Alright, ready?
Go.
Oh, you have to repeat it 3 times.
Okay.
Alright.
Go.
Eyeballs. You failed. Alrighty. Let's go.
Boobs. It kind of hurts my mouth.
I know. It hurts right here.
Butthole.
Ribs. Say that. It's really hard to say ribs.
Grapes.
Grape.
Banana.
Apple, banana. Peach. Pear. Blueberry. I said blueberry.
My mouth hurts.
Concentration. 64.
No repeats.
Or hesitation. I'll start.
You're finished.
The category. Name. Savannah.
Emily.
Bobby. Ashley. You repeated. Goodbye.